Oh my, look at them. They are nice in size. I don't know what kind of birds these are. I don't have the slightest idea. They look like they mating. I think they mating. There's two of them, and they were doing this noise. Okay, wait until they get off each other. And I think it's. Look at that again. There are two birds. Did I catch them at a wrong time? Okay. They're playing a game. Some kind of game. Weird. They look like they make up and then they hate each other. It's like a real relationship. Huh. Whatever's going on. They pussyfooting around. There they go again. Well, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know which one is the girl or which one is the boy. But it's interesting watching them two. Long beaks. I wish it had better color for you, but who knows? Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to get off this phone. I think I got what I wanted to see today. I think whatever these birds are, could you subscribe and like and give me an idea of what these birds are, what are they doing. Give me some insight on what you know about animals, especially the bird world. I'm not that good with that. Until next time, Cowgirl Gina says so long.